Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this, I will be taking up a advanced level question for Maths Olympiad and also IIT JEE Advanced and Mains and CSR Mathematics also. The ratio of two factorials which are different. The ratio of sum of two factorials. It is one sum Sx, it is another sum S x minus 2, where two terms are absent here in the denominator and two terms are more in the numerator. That is also sum of factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 up to factorial 1, that is one sum, that is numerator, and another sum is in the denominator factorial x minus 2 plus factorial x minus 3 up to factorial 1. Both have different values. And what will be the division of them? When Sx, sum of the factorial x, factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 up to 1 factorial is divided by factorial x minus 2 plus factorial x minus 3 up to factorial 1. What will be its value? This is what is the question here. It should not be misunderstood that factorial x by factorial x minus 2. It is a sum. Sum of the x minus 2 factorial values, sum of the x factorial values in the numerator, and sum of the x minus 2 factorials in the denominator. It is a sum. When two sums which are different are divided by each other, what will be the answer we will get? It is like function x divided by gx. What is the answer? Function x is sum of the factorial x. Gx is sum of the factorials of x minus 2. Then what will be its value? That means it's a very important and very novel type of question which I am going to solve now. For the benefit of Maths Olympiad aspirants, JEE Advanced aspirants, JEE Mains aspirants and CSIR aspirants, mathematics aspirants who are appearing for the higher competitive examinations in mathematics. It's a advanced question in mathematics. Let's try to solve it. What is the question given? Question is find factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 up to factorial 1 whole divided by factorial x minus 2 plus factorial x minus 3 plus up to factorial 1 is equal to how much? Here the value of x is arbitrary. Please try to understand. What is the answer we are going to get? Let us see. Let us try to solve it. Solution. Let us say numerator is equal to Sx, sum of the factorial x's. That is equal to factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 plus factorial x minus 2 plus up to factorial 1. And this is equal to numerator. Let us say yes, x minus 2 is equal to denominator. That is equal to x minus 2 factorial plus x minus 3 factorial plus up to 1 factorial. Then what we are going to find? Question is Sx by Sx minus 2 is equal to how much? This is the question. Now, we have to simplify the given expression so that we will get some value reasonably simplified answer for the given question. We can even use Stirling's approximation here. But however, we will go from the basics. What is Sx? Is equal to factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 plus factorial x minus 2 plus factorial x minus 3 plus up to factorial 1. What is the value of it? This value from the definition what we have given, that is x minus 2. Factorial x minus 2 plus factorial x minus 3 up to 1 is Sx minus 2. That implies Sx is equal to factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 plus Sx minus 2. Can we write like this? This is the numerator, this is the denominator. That implies the given question is Sx by Sx minus 2 is equal to factorial x by, we'll write like this, factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 plus Sx minus 2 whole divided by Sx minus 2. Can we write like this? Now, this implies as x by sum of the factorial x by sum of the factorial x minus 2, this is the question given. This is equal to factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 whole divided by Sx minus 2 plus 1. Sx minus 2 by Sx minus 2 is equal to 1. Then, what is the value of factorial x? That implies this is equal to factorial x is x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial whole divided by Sx minus 2. Can we write like this? Then, can we take x minus 2 factorial as common? And can we write like this? X square minus x plus x minus 1 whole divided by Sx minus 2. That is equal to, this x get cancelled. X square minus 1 into factorial x minus 2. This again we have to put a plus 1 here, plus 1, here plus 1, here plus 1 by Sx minus 2. We are only rearranging the values. Please don't worry about it. We are only rearranging the values. Now, how to write x minus 2? Sum of x minus 2 factorial is equal to, can we take it is x minus 2 factorial plus x minus 3 factorial plus x minus 4 factorial plus up to 1 factorial. Can it be written as x minus 2 factorial? Can we take common? Can we multiply with x minus 2 factorial and say that this is 1 plus x minus 3 factorial by x minus 2 factorial plus x minus 4 factorial by x minus 2 factorial plus so on up to 1 by x minus 2 factorial. Now, can this be written as x minus 2 factorial 1 plus x minus 3 factorial by x minus 2 factorial will be 1 by x minus 2. This will be 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus so on up to 1 by x minus 2 factorial. Can we write like this? This can we place it in this equation, Therefore, Sx, this is the answer required for this question. Sx by Sx minus 2 is equal to how much? That's what we are going to find out. What is the simplified value for it? X square minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial divided by sum of the x minus 2 factorial plus 1. That is equal to this. Can we write like this? X square minus 1 into x minus 2 factorial will be same. Sx minus 2 can we expand? That will be x minus 2 factorial into 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus so plus 1. Can we write like this? Then it will be, you cancel x minus 2 factorial on numerator and denominator. Then this final expression will be simplified expression we'll write with the red pen. Let us maintain the continuity with the red pen. X square minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus so on plus 1. That is the answer we get. Now, for the answer for the question can be further simplified. Sx by s x minus 2 is equal to one plus 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 2, x minus 3, all this can we approximate to some value? This can be x square minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus up to so on plus 1. Now, let us take x square minus 1 outside, we have already taken. this particular value, whatever is in the red brackets, that will be one minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square from series and sequence. This is your homework. Because you will learn mathematics when you do something. I am not asking you to solve the total problem. At least some critical steps. You try to understand by doing on your own. Take it as a homework and see that whether this value is correct or not. Because these are all standard values. I don't want to derive the standard values and which takes time. I want to make you understand the concepts here. This plus 1. This will be equal to let us take up to 1 by x square approximately. Let us not take beyond 1 divided by x square, taking x as a large value. Then we can say x square minus 1, this will be approximately 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square plus 1. Then Sx by S x minus 2 is equal to x square into 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square plus 1. That is equal to x square minus x minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 2 by x square plus 1. These were large values, these can be neglected for large values of x. Then this will be approximately equal to x square minus x minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to x square minus x minus 2. This whatever value, this can we treat it as error big O 1 by x when we neglect 1 by x square. Okay. Then will be, which can be for large values tends to 0, this value. Error of approximation to 1 by x. For large values of x, this 1 by x tends to 0. Hence, the final answer is Sx by Sx minus 2 is equal to factorial x plus factorial x minus 1 up to 1 factorial divided by factorial x minus 2 plus x minus 3 factorial up to 1 factorial is equal to x square minus x minus 2. This value. It is an approximate value and you can add error if you want. X square minus x minus 2 plus some error of approximation, that is capital O 1 by x. x square minus x. This is a quadratic equation if you neglect the error. Quadratic equation. This is the answer. And with this, I wanted to conclude this lecture. The same answer you can get by using Stirling's approximation also. You do with that method, use the Stirling's approximation and get this value. And as x tends to infinity, Ox is equal to O1 by x tends to 0 when x tends to infinity. Because it is a ratio of two functions of factorials, sum of factorials, which are distinct, we cannot get the integer values. We will get the value in the form of an equation which is a quadratic equation, that is x square minus x minus 2. Can you try as a homework some other equation? Putting x minus 3, starting with x minus 3 factorial in denominator. Do it. What is the answer you will get? You please check and answer it in the comments. I will reply to the comments. With this, I want to conclude this lecture, which is based on ratio of factorials, ratio of sum of the factorials, which are distinct function x by gx, and which has given us a quadratic equation, and these ratios are approximated and some algebra is done, advanced type of algebra, for arriving at the value of x square minus x minus 2. With this, I want to conclude this lecture. If you feel there is a value addition to you because of this lecture, kindly share and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. And this type of questions may be asked in the examination, we are not aware. But we should be prepared for any kind of questions that can be twisted and asked. It is a good twisting question involving many concepts on the way of solving it. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. Best of luck to everybody. And please kindly do not forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you.